What is up, you guys? I'm the Central Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, amen. Always remember some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest here, okay? Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, amen, okay? So I did the reading earlier, and I told you how these people like hack every day, so it's definitely somebody that's rather close, amen, okay? Because the images, you could tell I could tell when somebody's hacking my device or the Wi-Fi or something, because it would just show images at the top of my thing here, okay? And one day I was sitting outside and I was writing, scrolling my codes that I get from the sun, amen, okay, the Semite codes, but that same day later on my device was hacked, and you see scrolling, somebody writing on a scrolling pad. Or I have roses, or if I'm singing outside singing one day, it'll come up that somebody singing on the thing, okay? And they're also when they hack it, hack my account, so I'll see numbers. There'll be numbers up at the top in the thing. And today with the hacking, I seen the number C or the letter CC in it. So somebody's name could be CC. Two people could be involved with their names start with the letter C. But they be on it, okay? But I'm also on it too as well, okay? That's why I talk about this. Alrighty, so let's do this, okay? Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, amen. Snap, and that's the truth, amen. Straight facts, right off the rip. Snap. Okay? It could be a Capricorn, it doesn't have to be, or somebody definitely up in this devil energy, okay? Somebody's definitely on some shizness, amen. And, judgment is being called. Karma is here, okay? And that is the truth, okay? For whoever's up in this devil energy, okay? A judgment is here, okay? And that is the truth, okay? And I speak the truth. Always, amen. Right, amen. All right, y'all. So let's see. All right, so let's see what else we can get for y'all. Amen, amen, okay? All right, y'all. Okay, so we got the Bohemian Grove here. Oh, snap. They ain't no match for the divine, amen. All right, let's go. We got a Cancer energy. Let me see if this is a male or female. Child, amen. Is this a Cancer male? So it's not a female, it's a Cancer male. That's part of the Bohemian Grove. So it's a Cancer male. That's part of the Bohemian Grove here, okay? Is that June? Okay. Well, this person is about to end up in the hospital because they're doing a lot of spell work and it's about to backfire. Okay. A lot of people have been going down, y'all. A lot more people are going down. A lot more people are getting sick, being on this bullshit. Yep, they know that they messed up bad, y'all. They know they messed up bad. If they know this, I mean, why did they keep doing this stuff? Make it make sense, y'all. Make it make sense, okay? Oh, somebody was doing suicide cells. Okay, so somebody was doing suicide cells as well. So these people, are literally trying to get people to commit suicide for the things that they have done. For things that they have done. Yeah, a bunch of energy vampires. So these people want to siphon your energy, meanwhile do suicide cells on you at the same time. This is a father or grandfather figure here. Oh, okay, there's a divine feminine. You got money coming soon. Amen, amen, okay? We got the letter K. Does this person have money coming soon? Is this person involved in this here? So this person don't have money coming soon. Is this a male? This is a female. Okay, tell me about this female with the letter K name here, okay? Somebody is currently in jail. So there's somebody that's currently in jail right now. And your energy is protected from these people, okay? Is this K person currently in jail? Okay, so this person is currently in jail right now, okay? Okay, these people's looks are also changing because they keep doing spell work and it backfires. Like I said in a video yesterday, I seen somebody that I know does a lot of spell work on me because they were one of the people that stole my identity, okay? They actually poisoned me with, like, either ketamine or something in my drink. And this person's look changed so much, like, it was weird. It was weird. We got somebody that drives a Subaru here. What else? Okay, everybody involved in this situation will either pass away or end up in jail here, okay? And just know that your guys' energy is protected from these people. And somebody else is about to end up in the hospital, you guys, okay? Yeah, look, the tower. Boom. Okay. We got the tower and we had judgment when we first came out here, okay? There's definitely a dirty lawyer involved. We already know about the dirty bank people as well, okay? Like, all of these people are being investigated. We have a letter H. Is this H a male? Is this a dirty lawyer? Is this H male any good? Okay, so there's a dirty lawyer, there's a male with the letter H name. Tell us about these people. Ooh, we got Judgment Day and Tower moment. What? That's just the second Judgment card that come out. And then we got the Tower, so you know these people are in some shiznit, amen. We got a fire sign male, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius male here. Yeah, all these people are thieves, okay? They're all thieves. Somebody's also a false prophet. There seems to be a lot of those out here. Like, it's ridiculous, redonkulous. There's a lot of them out here. But they need to be outed, okay? There's a false prophet coming after a real starseed. So this false prophet could also say that they are a starseed and they're not here. They're a false prophet, okay? They're false. They went to a bank posing as somebody and cashed a check as well, okay? And they're definitely trying to manipulate the energy here. Oh yeah, this person has been taken over by demonic spirits. Like, it's just what it is. They've literally been taken over by demonic spirits. Yeah, a lot of these people out here claim to be prophets when they're doing corrupt things, and they're literally like, they worship the devil. Okay, and they're claiming to be prophets when these people have been literally taken over by these same demonic spirits they call upon to attack people. Okay? Somebody's definitely watching your every move here. Okay? Most of us know this by now. We've been dealing with this for a long time. Okay? But again, you are protected. These people are not protected. Okay? Yeah, these people will never tell the truth. They will take it to their grave. But you can tell, okay? You can definitely tell, even if people are lying to your face. You can tell, because things are happening in their life here, okay? They're getting sick. They're ending up in the hospital. Their vehicles are breaking down. Their houses are... You can tell. You can tell. Believe me, you can tell. Their looks are changing. Everything. You can tell, okay? You got neighbors of yours that are creeping around your house as well, okay? We have the letter J. Let me see if this is a male or female. Is this a male? Is somebody creeping around this person's house? So this person is creeping around somebody's house. Okay, so there's a male with the letter J name that's creeping around somebody's house, okay? Anything else? Okay. Yeah, this person is sending people in to rob you here, so y'all be mindful of that, okay? Somebody's an actor and actress, okay, or they think they're a good actor and actress. Let me see. Let me see. Is this person a real actor and actress? So no, this person is wearing a false mask. They act a lot. They act different for multiple people. Yeah, they put on a different mask for multiple people. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Most of these people that are up in these organizations, these crime rings, these cults, these covens, okay? Because they don't want people to really know what they're doing and what they're up to when, that's why people like you and me are here, okay, to expose this. Amen. I don't know if I want to use these or not, y'all. Hold up, wait. How are these? Wait. Okay. Let me fix them, y'all. It's like somebody is constantly like doing some kind of death spells as well, and it's just these people are really like lost their minds, like literally. Somebody's having memories of you. They could be trying to like send you energetic music, things like this, maybe to make you have memories of them here, trying to stay attached to you energetically. Somebody could be looking at your pictures here. Is this enough, right? Somebody wants to apologize. Is this enough, right? Okay. Okay, somebody wants to come in, or they want to send you like energetic things to make you remember them, okay? Somebody wants to apologize, but it's like not, they're trying to be strategic about something, so they're still up to something here. Okay. Somebody's going to try to swindle their way back in. They're trying to be strategic on how they're going to do this, okay? Yeah, because you're definitely protesting. You're standing up against this, and they don't like it here. Okay, so they're definitely trying to find a strategic way to like manipulate their way back in here. Okay. I don't know why that word was so hard to say, y'all. Strategic, and there we go. Like boom. Okay. You guys could be professionals here in whatever you do here. Okay. This could be professionals that are involved. We know that a lot of professionals are involved that are not very professional, okay? Okay, for some of you guys, somebody wants to come in and marry you here, or this is a married couple. Okay, let me see what this is here. Maybe somebody wants to come in and profess their love to you, like they want to marry somebody here. I don't know. We're going to see here. Is in the reverse. Somebody could be leaving a collaboration of the people that they're collaborating with. That's in reverse here. Okay, somebody could be wanting to leave a marriage or leave a collaboration and maybe get married to somebody here. Maybe they're realizing they're not persevering with whatever their collaboration is. They got going on here. I don't know what this is here. Yeah, somebody has self-love here, okay? Whatever these people in this collaboration, whatever they're doing, they don't have self-love. Like, most of them don't even have their soul, let alone some self-love. Like, okay, since whoever's got self-love, you guys that got self-love here, you definitely have good news coming in for you here, okay? Okay, for some of you guys, like I said, somebody wants to come in and apologize here, but this person is, like I said, going to be either really strategic about this, okay? Because there might be people like protesting against this situation here, okay? Tell us about the self-love and good news here. Okay, somebody's ready to take off some mask here, but I feel like everybody's mask already fell off. Everybody's mask already fell off. So I mean, okay, because it came out in reverse. Everybody's mask has already fell off here. Okay. Somebody was definitely letting their pride get in the way in this situation. Yeah. Somebody could be seeing that you're an introvert as well. Somebody could have been saying a lot of things about you, and you're just an introvert. You say to yourself, mind your business. Okay? And they see that you're lucky in doing that as well, okay? And you're calm, and you're just like chilling, doing you, amen. Yeah, so these people that were definitely trying to come in and rob you, they couldn't do this here, okay? You always stay calm in a situation, okay? Because you have self-love for yourself. So these people that was trying to come in and rob you, like, no, it got flipped upside down, okay? Like, these people need to get some help. But okay, so somebody wants to be strategic in the way they come in and apologize here, okay? So if somebody does want to apologize, they know that you have self-love. And like I said, a lot of people are out here talking shiznit about people. And that's usually what they're saying about people is what it is about themselves here, okay? So somebody wants to apologize. Okay. All right, so let's see, y'all. Amen. All righty. Snap. Is somebody from Maine? Is somebody in Maine? Okay. So we got somebody that's from Maine right now that's involved in something here. Ooh. Is Shane from Maine? Is Shane in Maine? So Shane is in Maine right now. Okay, so somebody named Shane is in Maine right now. Let's tell us about Shane. Is Ray or Raymond connected to Shane? Is Ray or Raymond in Maine? So Shane and Ray or Raymond are in Maine. The Shane is in Maine. These people are from Maine. Is Maine supposed to come out? Hold up. No. No Maine. Okay, no Maine. Shane and Raymond are connected? Okay, no Maine. We got Shane and we got Ray or Raymond here. Alright, let's keep going. My nose itching. Okay. So we got Shane and we got Ray or Raymond. What's going on with Shay and Ray or Raymond here? Was somebody physically drowned? Okay, these people are drowning in karma. So these people are drowning in karma here. So Shane and Ray or Raymond. Sorry about the noise. Amen. I can't help it. Was Alec or Alex sacrificed? Okay, is this connected to Shane or Ray or Raymond? Is Alec or Alex physically passed away, deceased? Is this person dead? So Shane and Ray or Raymond was then involved in the passing death of somebody named Alec or Alex. So they sacrificed this person. Okay, so they sacrificed. So Shane and Ray Raymond, they sacrificed somebody named Alec or Alex here, okay? Okay, was Alec or Alex drowned? So they drowned this person, like in the water? So Shane, Ray, or Raymond drowned Alec or Alex here. They sacrificed this person. Did Alex sacrifice somebody with them? So they sacrificed Alec or Alex. Okay, so they sacrificed this person. Okay. Is the missing connected to this? Missing is connected. So is Shane missing? Is Ray or Raymond missing? So they sacrificed Alec or Alex, and the body is what, missing? They threw it in the water somewhere in the water? Let's keep going. Earth? Is this like an earth sign? Is this connected? This is different. Okay, so we got an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That wants to marry somebody, or somebody wants to marry them here, okay? Is it a dark tarot reader, an earth sign dark tarot reader that wants to marry somebody? Is it a male? So there's an earth sign male, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn male. That's a dark tarot reader that wants to marry somebody. Child, amen. Okay. So there's a dark tarot reader, that's an earth sign male that wants to marry somebody here. Is this connected? This is different? Is this a tarot reader? No, this is different. Okay, so we got Lily or Lillian here. What's going on with Lily or Lillian? Okay. Did a mother or grandmother figure leave money, or did a mother or mother figure leave will money for Lily or Lillian? Is this connected? So was Lily or Lillian involved with taking some money, or knows about this money, or at least taking it or knows about it, that a grandmother left for somebody here? Okay, so Lily or Lillian, okay, knows about a mother or grandmother that left will money for somebody here, and this person was involved with taking this here, okay? From a god or goddess, okay? So yeah, Lily or Lillian was involved with taking this money that a grandmother or mother figure left for a god or goddess here. Is Lily or Lillian a god or goddess? So this person was involved with taking this, okay? Okay. So yeah, this person was one of the people involved with taking this from a god or goddess here, okay? Okay, now let's keep going. Is this connected? This is different. Okay, so we have Layla. We have Natalie. We have daughter. Somebody's daughter. Layla and Natalie and somebody's daughter. Whoa, amen. Yikes. Layla, Natalie, this daughter, and Brandy are connected. So Layla, Natalie, this daughter, and somebody named Brandy are connected here, okay? They don't like when I talk. They don't like when I do my readings. Period. Is somebody in North Dakota right now? Is it Layla? Is it Natalie? Is it this daughter? Is it Brandy? So Brandy's in North Dakota right now. Is Brandy from North Dakota? So Brandy's in North Dakota. All these people are connected, okay? We have North Dakota. Is Benjamin connected to these people? Okay, so we also have Benjamin. There's a lot of people coming out, y'all. Amen. Are all these people connected? Julius, Sophia, bruh. What's going on with all these people? This person, they're all connected in some way? Alexis or Alexa? Gina's connected. We got Gina. Dang. These cards are thick as they keep coming out. What's going on with all these people? Is that a card just flipped out? Gerald is connected. We got Gerald. Okay, what's going on with all these people? All these people have money? Is this from what, attacking somebody? Is this money that these people should have? All these people are involved with taking money that belongs to somebody else? Okay, so all these people were involved with taking money that belongs to somebody else, and that's going hard, okay? So all these people were involved with taking money that belongs to somebody else here, okay? Okay, so we have Shane and Ray or Raymond here. These people were involved in the sacrifice of somebody named Alec or Alex here, okay? This body could definitely be in the water somewhere because they drowned this person, okay? We have an earth sign male tarot reader that wants to marry somebody, but this earth sign tarot reader is a dark tarot reader, okay? We have a mother or grandmother figure that left will money for somebody. Lily or Lillian was definitely involved with taking some of this, okay, or involved in this in general, okay. This money was not left for Lily or Lillian, but this person was involved with either taking this from somebody or knows about this, okay, period. We have Layla, we have Natalie, we have a daughter figure here, we have Brandy, okay. Brandy could be in North Dakota right now. We have Benjamin, okay. We have Julius, we have Sophia, we have Alexis or Alexa, we have Gina, and we have Gerald. And all these people were involved with taking money that belongs to somebody here, okay? And like I said, all these people are definitely under judgment because the money that they've taken does not even, they're not supposed to have. So all these people are connected in some way and definitely taking money from somebody that they should not have taken it from here, okay? Or money that's supposed to be for somebody else, okay? All right, you guys, that's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a blessed day, amen, okay?